Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Sony WH-XB910N wireless Bluetooth earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones are not connecting to Bluetooth, or they are not syncing or pairing with your device, or you're having any issues where they are not working, not responding, they can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you will need to set them up again because all of the pairing history will be deleted. It will be like they just came out of the box. And that's really the second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to get a fresh start, pair them with a new device, and just have it like it just came out of the box, we can wipe everything off of it quite easily. All you need to do is turn your headphones off and make sure they're unplugged and they have a decent amount of battery in them. And from there, we're just going to come in and we're going to find the power button and the NCAMB button. And we're going to press and hold those buttons simultaneously for 7 seconds. After 7 seconds, you'll see the indicator light will blink 4 times blue, indicating that the reset is complete.